One of the examples that I typically provide is I go back to my home county of Washington County, which is northwest of Manhattan, and I pick a household size of 4, annual income of, I'm going to project an annual income of $38,000 for this family. This family has 2 children, 20 and younger, and 1 adult, age 30, and another age 28. And I'm going to create an estimate here. You can see what we do is graph that estimate. The blue is the tax credit that this family will get. The orange here is what the individual will pay.
Okay, so that's one example. Take me through one more if you would.
Sure. I'm going to take, we're going to go now to here in Shawnee County.
And why does it make a difference per county?
Okay, there are 7 different rating areas in Kansas. That was something that the law and the regs allowed the insurance department, working with the companies, to establish how the premium, it reflects how the premium rates tend to divide up into areas that are a little more expensive, a little less expensive across the state. We were allowed under the regs to establish up to 7 rating areas in Kansas, and working with the insurance companies have done so. Now, in some of the, we select based upon county, because in some rating areas, for instance, our first rating area, which is the Kansas City area, there are different companies that offer plans in that area. There are 4 counties in that rating area, and 2 of those counties have Blue Cross Blue Shield of Kansas City in them. The other 2 counties have Blue Cross Blue Shield of Kansas in them. So, I can't just look to rating area number 1, because an individual, if they're living in Leavenworth County, is going to have Blue Cross Blue Shield of Kansas policies available. In Wyandotte and Johnson County, it's going to have Blue Cross Blue Shield of Kansas City. And in all of them, they will have Coventry policies available.
And all of that is factored into the calculations, kind of the machinery behind the calculator here.
That's the way the calculator works. It looks to see for each individual what plans would be available.
Okay, let's do one more here.
Okay, I'm going to go to Shawnee County in this case. And in this case, I'll say it's we'll use the same family of 4. I'm going to up the income here to $50,000, however. And let's just use the same ages. Again, I'm showing 2 children, 20 and younger. The premium rate for children 20 and younger is the same, no matter whether they're 2 years old or 18 years old. And then I'm going to leave the age of the adults 20, 30, and 28, and I'll create an estimate. You can see here, by upping the I changed the region, I upped their income to about $50,000 a year, and now we're very close to having the same amount of payment from the tax credit versus the amount that the individual family pays.
And what are those amounts?
The amounts here are $567 total premium. Remember, I believe in Washington County we were at $630. And the estimated advanced tax credit is $287. Their estimated cost is $280.
A month.
A month.
And let's make one thing clear here. Some people are confused about how the tax credit works. It's not that you get the money back when you file your income taxes. The tax credit, the federal subsidy goes actually to the insurance company in that amount to help pay the premium.
Right. It can, at least. The individual has that choice, but we expect that in most cases individuals will choose to have it be an advance payment tax credit instead of waiting for their tax return to be filed. Yes, and what that means is with an advanced premium tax credit, the federal government will pay, in the case of the Federal Exchange, will pay that portion of premium every month to the insurance company on behalf of the taxpayer. Then when they file their taxes, it's all reconciled. They could end up having to pay more at that point if their income went up during the year. They may have to pay more in taxes. If their income went down during the year, they may actually get more tax credit. But it's reconciled when they pay their taxes.
This is pretty slick. Is this unique to Kansas, this calculator? Is this developed by you in the insurance department here?
This was developed here in the insurance department. It's this kind of data is available for any state to do. I'm not aware of anyone doing it yet, but I would assume others would do the same kind of thing.
Thanks, Neil.